Balancing out your exposure is an important part of the editing process, especially when it comes to landscape photography. So in this tip, we're going to take a quick look at the graduated filter in Lightroom. First off, make sure your image is suitable for use with this tool. If you have a busy horizon or one that isn't completely straight, then you might find that this isn't the best tool for the job, as this tool creates a straight line effect on your image. But for most landscape shots, this will certainly get you well on the way to balancing out that edit. Once you have created a base edit for your image, select the graduated tool and pin it out on your shot. You can change the rotation, feather and affected area at any time by dragging these lines out. If you want to see the affected area, just hover over the pimple, and if you're not quite happy with it, you can select it and delete it at any time as well. When it comes to editing, make sure you're dialing in the right amount of exposure difference to make it not look out of place with the foreground. So that's the graduated filter. Remember, there's no substitute for using an actual filter in front of your lens. However, this tool will really help with that exposure balancing. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out some more tips about Lightroom, don't forget to check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.